Hey guys, good morning. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Mwango from Kenya in Africa, and welcome to Bali, one of the most visited islands in Indonesia and also in the entire world. And please, if it's your first time here, please be sure to subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. So I just woke up and I'm staying in this beautiful place. Actually, these are called capsules. So mine is right here, but I already closed it. So for those who are totally new here, so as a traveler, you know, sometimes you just want to experience or travel on a budget. So let me give you a tour of what a capsule looks like here in Bali. All right, so actually this is how the entire room looks. Okay, there's a working table right there. It's quite spacious, you know, and we have a balcony on the other side. I'll be taking you there. And this is how the capsules look. Actually there are four. Okay, up, down, like that, you know, and at the top. So because this is vacant, let me give you a tour. So you have these stairs going up, and this is how it looks in the inside. Very comfortable, trust me. You have a pillow right there, and that's the inside. That's the mirror. You have the lights, somewhere to charge your phone. Man, it's amazing. You have a TV, and also it have the aircon right there, and they give you a clean towel, a blanket. Wow, it's just a complete package, you know. So this is where I've been staying, and also they provide lockers. You can lock your stuff in here. We have the bathrooms, you know, hot shower, cold shower, just name them, you know. So yeah, this is where I've been calling home meanwhile for like 2 days now. So let me know what you think about them in the comment box down below, but they're really affordable. Actually, it's like $10 a night, you know, very comfortable, and there's fast Wi-Fi here. So it's a full package, more so if you're traveling on a budget. Anyway guys, I just want to go down for breakfast, then we want to head to the waterfall because I love water. You all know that, the beach, waterfalls and all that. So let's go grab our breakfast, then I want to take you along, and it's gonna be a really exciting video. So stick around till the end of the video and let's do this. Actually, this is the balcony area, you know, and this is the view, and yeah, there's somewhere to hang your towel, you know. So this is basically my surrounding, my hood. It's a beautiful place. Wow, those mangoes, they're big already. Anyway guys, let's go for breakfast. So we're going down for breakfast. Actually they offer breakfast here, you know. Imagine $10 accommodation, Wi-Fi, and also they give you breakfast. Isn't that amazing? Okay, and it's very clean as you all see. So we're going down for breakfast. Hello. Breakfast? Yes, please. Can I have today fried rice, maybe?
Fried rice?
Yes, please.
Spicy or not?
Not spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So this is the restaurant area. It's amazing as well. And let's have breakfast, then wanna hit the road. So guys, my breakfast is here. I'm having coffee, fried rice, an egg. Wow, looks so delicious. And remember, this is included in the $10 that I pay here for accommodation. Wow. So let's dig in. See you when I'm done. Guys, I just stepped out from my hotel, and I want to look for sunnies, or rather sunglasses. My beautiful sunglasses broke. They need to be fixed kinda, and I really gonna miss them because I bought them in Mombasa and I loved how they had some beads, you know. So let's see if we can get some here. Wow.
Four slice, and
Let's see what we can get here.
the chip quality maybe. So what we can all together? Okay, come on. How much? You have 4. This is 4, and then
Trying
one
to get
here,
some
right? And then
glasses
one
here.
there. This is 4 here.
Oh,
Right. And then the head and the one. No.
guys, I got my new glasses. Although I don't like them that much, I can't wait to maybe repair my old glasses because actually I was so much into them. So let's hit the road. It's gonna be like a 1 hour ride. So let's go. Let's do this. Finally we are here. It has been raining. Oh my gosh, thank God I carried this thing, or else it would be so hard. Okay, there's some music here. Wow, art for donation. Okay, so I got my tickets. Oh my gosh, my ticket is flying away. So I got my tickets for 25,000 Indonesian rupiah, and this is the entrance to the waterfall. Oh wow, so the waterfall is going this direction, holy water this direction. It's crazy, right? I'm just trying to think what holy water means. Okay, so welcome to Suwat Waterfalls. We're gonna go this direction, and also they say there's holy water this direction, so I don't know where I want to start from. Okay, maybe we're gonna check out the falls first. Okay, welcome to Suwat Waterfalls. Wow, I love how it looks so beautiful. Wow, you know, looks so unique, and the fact that they have a very nice walk path. Wow, it's amazing. So let's check out how Suwat Waterfall looks like. Oh my gosh, it has been raining. Thank God my driver was kind enough to give me a rain jacket. Otherwise I could be so wet, you know, because when I left the house it was actually so hot, you know, because you won't even believe it, it's like right now it's 12. I came here with the expectations to swim, but the weather, oh my gosh, you guys, the sound is interesting. Okay, here we are.
I have friends who go, oh my god, this is a nice bath.
Going down.
Take a photo of me.
It just gives me the against
And I'm
them.
like,
Okay, we're not yet there. Oh, wow. So this is how Suwat Waterfalls look like. Okay, Looks interesting though, but the weather is something else. And I have to be careful here because it's slippery. Eh? Wow. Okay, here we are. Wow. What waterfalls. Looks so good. There are people down here. Let's go and see. Let's get closer. Guys, from the falls they also have a chilling place here. I decided to buy myself 2 bananas. I'm a huge fan of bananas, and also of course, you know, my all-time coconut juice. So I want to drink it and just, you know, just enjoy at least. I love the coconut water so much, and the view is just something else. And the voice of the, you know, the sounds of the water is so relaxing, you know. Wow, look at the size of banana. This is the biggest size of banana I've seen so far here in Bali. Wow, I love bananas, coconut water, you know. And also they have the shower room on the other side, but we're not going there. So yeah, oh, you can also cook some food like nasi goreng ayam and stuff, but because of time I won't wait for the food. But all in all, it's such a beautiful place. I really enjoyed the rafting on the bamboo. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram at Mwango official. You're really missing out. Wow, otherwise I really love this place. I can highly recommend. I can say today has been one of my best days here in Bali. You know, I really love waterfalls, like so much. And the environment is so clean, man. Look, very clean, up to the standards. I can highly recommend. You know, I'm yet to visit other falls, but yeah, I've really enjoyed. I loved it so much. Okay, let's enjoy our bananas, 2 of them, and the coconut water. Wow, so fresh. I like it. Huh? Wow. So guys, finally we're leaving the waterfall. Wow, I really had an amazing time. And I love the mother nature. Look at that. Wow, look at these trees. Very indigenous, eh? And so tall. Man, it's beautiful. Huh? Wow, today is one of those days I'll be like the best of Bali. Huh? Wow, I really enjoyed the rafting here. The coconut water. Like today, I've really enjoyed myself in Bali. Wow. Actually, this waterfall is not far away. So if you ever visit Bali, from Ubud, it's like 30 minutes drive. So it's not far away. You can make it here and enjoy Mother Nature. So because my driver is waiting for me, I don't know, maybe I want to try one more waterfall. I love the waterfalls, you guys, you have no idea. Otherwise, guys, Premier Gang, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for supporting your girl always, okay? And please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to 400k, okay? Wow, look at that. I love it. Wow, this is beautiful. So guys, I got my ticket, 20,000 rupiah. So welcome to Waterfall Tegenungan village. All right. So guys, I'm also trying to get a bikini here, and she has really nice varieties, and I'm trying to bargain. Like honestly, the clothes here are so good. One piece, maybe if it's too sexy, you know. Too sexy, it's okay. This one is too regular, guys. What do you think? I love two-piece more. This one, okay. This one looks small, but I love the color. Same size with this other one. Is it same size with this? I love this color. Is it the same size? Help me get this. Let me see. Is it the same size or not? Same size?
Umbrella.
Is it same size? Wow, they really have beautiful bikinis here, handmade. Wow, I love this shirt so much. She really has amazing, beautiful stuff here. Let's see what we can get. I'm trying to get another bikini, but my size 2XL for
No.
Yes, look at the look.
Not too big to you. Yeah, this one fit maybe.
I need a brighter color.
Yeah.
Let's see this.
This one.
Yeah, let's see this. So guys, I'm trying to get a bikini here. Let's see the shorts, you know. The bottom is always the problem, not the top, you know. That's my struggle always. Oh my gosh, look at this. Woo! It's so small though.
No small, me. No, man. Hey, no small. You can try double here. Yeah.
I can try double.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
let's see. But we really have beautiful stuff.
Back inside.
Okay.
You can try here.
This, and let's have two at least,
Yeah.
so that I can see which one.
This.
What about this color?
This the pen, like that.
Okay.
Something like that. Yep.
Business everywhere.
No business everywhere. This for raining.
It's for rain.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go to the waterfalls.
Yes.
And take some pictures and enjoy a little bit. Okay. But it's very short. Look, very short.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, guys, let's go. Wow, so guys, it's a rainy day, but we still have to do this. They really sell beautiful bikinis here. Really beautiful, you know? And since I'm a huge fan of bikini, why not? Wow, like that one looks something else. I'm tempted to buy more and more and more, okay? So, wow. You can literally shop until you drop. Huh? Thank you. Hello. Wow, Sambuca just here, but first things first.
Hello, sweet
Hello.
corn, yeah. Something to drink, yeah?
Okay, I'll be back. Oh, on this other side, all right, cool. Okay. Hello. Good afternoon.
Keep your ticket,
Thank you. Okay, guys. Now we're good to go to the falls. So if you come to Tenenguan Falls, it's 20,000 rupiahs per person. In terms of dollars, it's on the screen. And they really sell nice bikinis here. And nice shirts. Wow. So let's go.
Cold drink, something to eat.
When I'm back, maybe. Thank you. It was raining so much. I got convinced to get these raincoats because I'll still need it while going home. Okay. So let's go to the waterfalls. Picture session there. Wow, it's beautiful. The view, oh my gosh, the view from here is something else. Yo, wow. This is beautiful. Wow, you guys, my guys. It's so steep going down, so it's easy going down, but coming up, it's something else. But you know what? Anything that it takes for us to get there, we have to. So you must be really fit. Actually, all the waterfalls, you know, it must be steep going there. Very nice places to take pictures, Instagram pictures. Wow, and that villa looks something else. Wow, you guys, my guys, looks so nice. The view is breathtaking. Oh, let's go. Wow, the view is beautiful. Wow, this villa over here, it's something else. Wow. Let's go to the falls. Maybe I clean the lens a little bit because it's raining. Wow, you guys, my guys, I'm so happy. I wanna go to the falls. Oh my gosh, like literally nothing makes me happy like waterfalls and beaches. Yay, here we are. People taking shower. Trust me, it's worth it. Huh? Actually, he's literally having soap and he's taking shower right there. Wow, wow, oh my gosh, look at that. It's the view for me. Huh? It's the view for me. Wow, I'm so excited today. So basically today I'm showing you the best waterfalls in Bali. Tenenguan. Wow. Okay, photography session. We keep going. Wow, it looks amazing. Wanna get close. Oh my gosh, let's go to the waterfalls. Wow, the waterfalls bring all the happiness in me, you know. Actually, we just want to take a real shower, literally, you know. Ooh, I'm so excited, you guys. Let's go. So actually, I wanna take off the rain jacket and just get ready. So many people here with family. Wow! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Isn't that amazing? Huh? Wow! This is beautiful. Oh my gosh! You have to be a little bit careful here. Might slide. Yay! Wow! Oh my gosh, you guys, my guys, look at that! Damn! I'm so excited. It's raining, but I don't even feel it. Wow! Oh my goodness! What? This is beautiful. Wow! 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 Oh my gosh, look at that, guys! Ah, this is beautiful. Trust me. Wow, so many people here taking pictures, having a good time. Ah, I don't want to miss out. Let me just take and have a good time, guys. But honestly, I like it. Wow, wow. Woo. Okay, guys, let's jump to the waterfall. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh, I love it. You guys. Nobody here, closed for swimming right there. So time to go home, but I wish I stayed longer, honestly. I really enjoyed myself here. One of the best days today. Wow. Wow guys, so actually I met some friends from Singapore. They're taking pictures right now. I really love how sweet they are. What's your name, my dear?
Romaine.
Romaine. And you?
Julia, nice to meet you.
Oh wow, they're from Singapore. Picture session. Wow guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Guys, so finally it's time for me to go home. It has been so much fun at the falls. I can highly recommend, despite the fact it has been raining, but it has been a great time. So thank you so much for watching once more. I really appreciate it. In case it's your first time here, please be sure to subscribe. Let's get to 400k subscribers. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about today's video. But honestly, today is one of my best days in Bali. I really enjoyed the 2 waterfalls. They're all amazing and I can highly recommend. So guys, thank you so much for watching once more. Premier Gang, you mean the whole world to me. So see you on my next video. Greetings from Bali. Bye guys, time to go. Let's do this.